Hello, good day. My name is Rosel Cordeta. I'm already 27 years old. I study Bachelor of Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have over 6 years experience in a BPO industry, specifically in healthcare accounts. My first company was in Teleperformance. I stayed in the company for 4 years as a healthcare advocate, and we are assisting daily to patients, asking about their benefits, eligibility, helping them book their doctor's appointment around their area, looking for any in-network providers, and assisting them daily with their prescriptions, with their specialty medical equipment, booking their or arranging their transportation. Also, we are communicating with the providers on their behalf with their billing issues. And my second company was in Allsec Tech, where I handle provider services. And we are doing outbound calls. We are usually calling estimated around 200 to 300 patients per day, and all of the patient that we were calling is the patient that still has a balance left in the hospital, and we are calling them to screen them if they were qualified to apply with a government program like Medicaid or any financial assistance program that could possibly help them pay their balance. And if they were interested to apply with the program, we're helping them out, and we are providing them the necessary requirements that they need to prepare, um, and the steps what they needed to do to apply with the program for the financial assistance. And my last company was in Visaya KPO as an account receivable, and we are um, provided like 30 to 50 allocations, and it's all claim denials, and we are identifying the reason of the denials. We're also doing outbound calls to provider services to check the status of the claims and what are the necessary steps um, after we submit the claims, the appeals, and yeah, basically as an account receivable follow up. Um, yeah, and my hobby is watching Korean novela, and also what is not on my resume about me is that I am very very um like the industry where I'm working right now is too far with my hobby because I really like cooking. That's all. Thank you.